Hey guys, what's up? Well, today we will learn how to make cars in Blender. If you are a new beginner and have a little bit of Blender's knowledge, then this tutorial is totally for you. I will try to go slow so everyone can understand and even the new beginners can follow along easily. But first, if you are new here and love my work, then you can subscribe my channel so you're always updated of my new upcoming videos. And if you want the finished blend file, you can get it by following me on Patreon, or you can find it on Gumroad as well. The links to both of them will be provided in the description. Well, back to Blender. Delete the cube and the lamp. First we will bring in the reference images. The links will be in the description. Shift D to duplicate. Make at least 4 copies. Select one of them. Press Alt G and Alt R to clear all transformations. RX90 to rotate. Press numpad 1 to go to the front view. Now drag the image so the car's front view is right in the center. Switch side to front. Uncheck perspective and turn down transparency. Try to match it with the middle line on the image. And now we can see it's not visible in perspective. It will only be visible in ortho view. Set side to back. You can press Ctrl numpad 1 to get the back view, or you can press numpad 9 while you are in front view. Same. Uncheck perspective and turn down transparency. And also align the car's back view to the center. Now the process is much the same for the side and the top view. I will not do all the settings in the beginning right now. We will look into all of them as we progress in the video. Well, for those who've been facing problems setting up the reference images, a blend file with all the reference images already set is provided in the description for all of you. Well, Shift A, add a cube, go to side view, scale down the cube. Try to match the scale with the front portion of the car, but you cannot see through our model if you're not in X-ray view, and we don't want the X-ray view enabled at all times. Go to image settings, set depth to front, and you can see it now. Now tap to go to the edit mode. Select the face select mode. You can either press 1, 2 or 3 for selecting these modes, or you can manually select as well. I will be doing it manually though. Now select the back face, back to side view, extrude it. Now we will be extruding the top portion, but still if you want to adjust some edge loops, simply alt left click to select the whole edge loop and double G to adjust. Now select the top face and extrude it. Select vertex select mode and turn on X-ray view. Select the vertices and try to match the shape. If you want to slide any vertices, press double G to slide. Now press 1 to go to front view. The first thing we're gonna do is to bring an edge loop right in the center by pressing Ctrl R. Now select one half. Press X to delete the vertices. Now go to the modifiers tab and select mirror, and always be sure you checked clipping. Now select these vertices and GX to move them along X axis. Don't try matching the vertices with the round areas for now. We will fix it later. Ctrl R to add an edge loop. Drag and select the outer vertices while you are in X-ray view. Back to front view and move them out a bit. Now add another edge loop. You can simply drag and select, or you can select one vertex and then control left click on the last one and it will select all the vertices in the middle. This time I'm using the second option so all of you can learn and get comfortable with the variety of new selection techniques. Well, go to the top view now. Time to adjust our model from the top where we feel it needs some adjustments. These middle vertices, I think I should move them up a little. Now right click and shade smooth, normals, auto smooth. Well, go to the modifiers tab and select bevel, segments to 2 and switch limit method to angle. Well, it's looking pretty good right now for a base mesh, but all of you should keep on saving as well so none of you lose any work. And it's always good practice to save different versions of your work, so if you feel you messed up, you already have a blend file which you saved earlier as a backup. Well, time to create the Windows glass. Well, if I extrude and then scale it down, you see I might get uneven edges. We don't want that. Select the front face, press I to inset and move it inward a bit. And now you have pretty even edges. But you see we have one more face now which we don't want. So what we're gonna do is simply delete this face. Now go to edge select mode. Be sure that you have clipping checked, or otherwise it's not gonna work, or it's gonna mess up. Now G to move it along X axis and the gap is gone. Now if we go to side view, we can match our base mesh even more with the reference image, and if you feel it looks out of place and not natural, it's totally okay. We can fix it later at any time. Well, I guess this is it for this video today. Link to part 2 will be in the description, and I will also put it at the end of this video. And if you have any questions, you can directly ask me in the comments box. I try to reply like nearly every comment. And if you like the video, then please like and subscribe my channel so you're always updated of my new upcoming videos. Well, see you in part 2 then. Take care. Happy blending.